I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your account with Charles Schwab, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Charles Schwab website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the main menu. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select verification options. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. You may be asked to provide personal information such as your social security number, date of birth, or government-issued ID. Fill in the required fields carefully. Note: make sure your ID is not expired, otherwise it may cause delays in the verification process. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After entering your information, submit the form. You should receive a confirmation email once your account is verified. Keep an eye on your inbox. I hope this helps you get your account verified smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.